Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope that you all are fine. I am your Sushmita ma'am. Let us start our classes now. Very good, everyone. Now, first of all, everyone take out your Wonderland book. Yes, everybody take out your Wonderland book. Now, in your Wonderland book, everyone open the page number 44. Yes, take out the page number 44. Sources of water. Yes, very good. Everyone, today we will again learn about the sources of water. We all know that water is the necessity of life. Yes, very good. And we get water from pond, river, sea, yes, sea, rain, yes, very good, well, tap, yes, tap, tube well, yes, tube well, and hand pump. So kids, through all these sources of water, we get clean water to drink and for many other uses. Now kids, let us do one activity, okay? Look here everyone. Take out the page number 46 of your Wonderland book. Yes, page number 46. Kids, we all know that water is very precious and we should not waste water. We should always save it. Now look here kids, here are some pictures. Look here kids, inside each boxes here are some pictures showing different uses of water. Beside each pictures there are some small boxes. So kids, what we have to do is put a cross for the pictures that show water being wasted. Yes kids, we have to put a cross for the pictures that show water being wasted. Okay, very good. Now kids, let's move to the other activity. Okay. Look here kids, here are some pictures such as swimming, playing on a swing, filling the bucket, watering flowers, drinking tea and blowing a horn. Yes. What we have to do is, we have to make a cloud on the activity that is related with water. Yes, we have to make a cloud on the activity that is related with water. Okay. So kids, do these activities at home. Okay. Very good everyone. Take care. Thank you.